Students, today we shall discuss the last question in the exercise. The question is, state whether the following are true or false. We have to check whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. It may be true or it may be false, but I have to justify the answer. Why it is true, why it is false. I have to give the reason. Justify means you have to give the reason. Let us see the first question. The value of tan A is always less than 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1, whether it is true or false. Let us give the solution. First one, I will write directly false. Now I will give the reason. You will come to know. Because if I take tan A is equals to 12 divided by 5. So this value is greater than 1. This value is greater than 1. So that it is false. Because if I take one right angle triangle, so it will satisfy Pythagoras theorem also. So this I will take angle A, 12 divided by 5. So hypotenuse is always greater than these two sides. Okay. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get a larger side than these two. Okay. It will satisfy Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So tan is equal to 12 by 5. I am getting greater than 1. Therefore, the given statement is false. Sometimes it may be less than 1, but they said always. For every time it must be greater than 1 according to this statement. So for some time it is less than 1 and greater than 1 also there. But always is there, the given statement is false. Then go for second one. Sec A equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A, whether it is true or false. I will say it as true because what I said, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse must be greater than the remaining two sides. Okay. If I take right angle triangle, sec A is 12 by 5. I will take this as A. 12 divided by 5. So it means hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. So this is less, the hypotenuse is more than the adjacent. So that I can say the given statement is true. Because the hypotenuse is more than other two sides. Okay, this is the reason I can give. Then third one, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A, whether it is true or false. Actually, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosine. Cos A is not the cos, is nothing but cosine. Okay. So here what they said, cosecant they said. It is cosec. Cosec is the abbreviation used for cosec. It is cosecant it is. So here this is false because cos A is the abbreviation used for cosine. Okay, this I can write cosine A or cosine. Abbreviation is for cosine. Okay, abbreviation cos A abbreviation is the abbreviation used for cosine, but cosecant is nothing but cosec it is. Okay, so the given statement is false. Then fourth one, cot A is the product of cot and A. It is false. If I take tan in A, tan A is number, it is not separated. Tan and A, both are in a single word. It is tan A. We cannot split tan next A. Okay, I cannot split. It may not be the product of these two. So that it is false. It is false because it is not the product. It is not the product. Okay, this is how I can give the reason. If I write sin A, where A is the angle, A is the angle. In a degree I can say, in degree I will take. It may be 0 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 100, whatever it may be. It is the angle. if I take one right angle triangle, this is A and this is B and this is C, and this will be 90 degree. Now we will take this as a 45 degree. This angle I will take 45. What is sin A? I am going to find. What is sin A? A I have taken here what? Sin 45. A value is nothing but 45 degree. What is the value of sin 45? I am going to find. If this angle is 45 and this angle also must be 45 degree, because sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree, here it is 90 and here is 45, remaining must be 45. If these two angles are equal, then these two must be equal, because the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. The sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Now here I will take this as A and here also I can take it as A. Now alright, sin A, it is nothing but A I have taken here 45 degree, sin 45. Sin is nothing but what it is? Opposite side divided by adjacent it is. That is BC divided by A I can write. BC divided by AB. So BC is what I can take in here? BC. So sorry, BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is sin it is. Now these two sides are known. I am going to find the third side by applying Pythagoras theorem here. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this is equal to AB square is nothing but what? A square plus BC square is nothing but what? A square. So this is equals to 2A square. AC square value is 2A square. Then AC I can write as root 2A. AC I can write as root 2A. This value will be root 2A I can write. Root 2A. Now BC divided by AC. BC is how much? BC I have got it is A. AC is how much? That is root 2A. A will get cancelled. I am getting here as 1 divided by root 2. This is a standard value. So here generally written angle A. If I take some angles 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, what may be the trigonometric ratios? Sin 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. I should remember this formula. If I take cos 45 degree, what it means? 45 means cos A I have taken here. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. So AB value is A and AC value is root 2A. That is A get cancelled, so again you are getting 1 by root 2. So sin 45 degree also 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree also 1 by root 2. If I want to find the tan 45 degree, means tan A. According to the diagram, opposite by adjacent, that is BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB. So this will be BC value is A, AB value is also A. A will get cancelled. I am getting tan 45 degree value is 1. Tan 45 degree value is 1. So these are the standard values you have to remember. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1 by root. The remaining reciprocal trigonometric ratios also I can write. Cos 45 what will be? Cosec 45. Cosec 45 will be root 2, reverse. Cosec 45 degree is root 2. Then sec 45 degree value is also root 2. Then cot 45 degree is 1 by 1, it is 1 only. Okay, cot 45 is 1. This is how I can get for 45 degree.